Hello guys, welcome back again to Profi. Today we're going to do a morning routine video. So I will start with folding. I think, is it folding? Yes, folding my blankets after woke up. And you know, Moses a budget. That is the story. No way. So I'm folding. Yeah, I'm done folding, and this is Adala. I do Adala. Yeah, and now we are cleaning the workplace. Remember, this is the office, and also the office is also the bedroom. So every morning you have to clean up the workstation. So let me clean and prepare. I hope everything will go in line. These ones are headsets. And this one is my streaming mic, or I know streaming. Wala 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 wala. This one. This is where I wrote some notice. What is this? This one should go there. This one should go there. And this one also goes there. My ring lights should be nicely, and my headphones always stays here waiting for streaming. Yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah, so I want to clean my plate. So what I have to do, I have to boil my water. Remember, here in Africa, we are used to fast things. Like, if I have to use my kettle, yes. I think you can see I'm boiling my water. Yeah, while least I am waiting for my water to be boiled for me to be able to wash my dishes, I have to wash my teeth. So this is my toothpaste and my toothbrush. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm going outside now. Yo, go. I'm going outside. I'm going outside. Yeah, now my water is done, so I have to do my dishes. The other one is here. Do my dishes with the boiled water. Vakomana tiri kuzama zuva nezuva nehama kuti pamwe revangwana revana ringajeka ramangwana revana. Onai tiri kunyika dzavatura tichizama pamwe ramangwana ringachinja tikazoitawo vana baba vari nani pamberi pevana. Munomboziva upenyu aona kumira faini kunze uko. Yeah, this is the next day after that morning routine. I'm editing my videos here. You see, this is one of my other videos I am recording here. This is my job. Some of other of my days I have to do this. So I do like video editing, especially mornings. I mostly edit my video morning. Like here, what I'm doing, I'm recording a certain video here. You will look at my face that, yeah, this dude is busy. Yeah, like I'm continue recording. Yeah, like guys, you will be wondering, I'm editing a video here. One of my videos. It's like an indoor video, but I'm doing it this morning. So you wonder why I'm looking at a screen recording a video. Like I'm editing it after I shot it. Like, but this one will be another part. Like here, like I'm doing two videos at the moment. I'm editing another video while I am recording another video on this same video. So it's another technique. If you are editing and you are showing people that you are editing another video on another video, so one video can make two videos, you see. So this is what I'm doing now. So let us continue. You can see it's a craft, topic by topic. After this I have to mark, after this I have to mark, after this I have to mark. Now I'm here, I'm editing this one now. Yeah, now I'm looking at my videos there. I want to see if I'm hearing the sound. This is what I'm doing for today, editing a video on another video. Profi. And welcome to day 3, which is our last day of this vlog. As you all can see that I'm doing washing as a bachelor, washing alone. Those are my work suits. You can see a blue there. Washing profi. You can see that I'm so stranded. If there's anyone who can help me with a wife, can you please look a better wife for me, because I'm struggling doing some videos. Now it's washing clothes, yo, and I'm tired, very tired. Yeah. Back again. I was checking my camera, very sorry for that. This is my jacket. I used to wear it at work. Bachelor life in ghetto. You can see this is in deep locations here in Cape Town. Back again. I'm about to finish now, There's something on my work suit's pocket. I think maybe it's some papers or what, I don't understand. I'm finishing. I want to do something. Yeah, done. I'm done. Now I want to make it cleaner. Last episode is waiting, so I'm done. I'm going to the washing line now. I want to put my clothes on under the sun so that it will dry.